a very foggy morning, and a wheezy number 2999 Lady of Legend heads away from Crowcombe Heathfield with the first departure of the day to Minehead. This train was 20 minutes late, and this lateness affected all trains for the rest of the day. Waterdean Crossing, west of Crowcombe, and we hear newly restored number 9466, a Hawksworth 060 pannier tank, racing at the long 1 in 100 grade with a local train from Willerton. Notice it carries a single lamp on the buffer beam, something usually only used by auto trains. Still at Waterdean Crossing, West Country number 21C127 Tor Valley begins its descent away from Crowcombe. This engine was a late replacement for the unavailable Hagley Hall, both from the Severn Valley Railway. A train from Bishops Lydeard climbs the final section of the 1 in 81 gradient towards Crowcombe Heathfield. The driver reduces steam to allow the train to slow slightly, ready for the change in gradient on entering Crowcombe station. Collett 460 number 7812 Earlstoke Manor leaves Crowcombe Heathfield for Bishops Lydeard. 9351 again on the level ground near Dingle Crossing just before Blue Anchor, with the delayed 12:55 from Minehead to Bishops Lydeard. This train was very poorly patronised, unlike most trains on the day. Heavy machinery has been moved in to begin improvement work on the coastal path as 7812 Earlstoke Manor and 7828 Odney Manor double-head a short 5-coach train across Kermoor towards Minehead. Earlstoke Manor has been turned on the turntable at Minehead and is now seen climbing the short 1 in 91 gradient into Blue Anchor Station. West Somerset Railway driver and chairman Jonathan Pratt Jones gives the regulator a slight nudge as the train pulls up at the platform. "55 minutes after the previous Manor Hall train, we see 7828 Odney Manor with a 1500 hours train from Minehead crossing the level ground before Blue Anchor. Lady of Legend again, heading away from Blue Anchor. Apart from the Quantock Bell dining train which had a restaurant car added, all trains were formed of only 5 coaches. I wonder if this was an attempt to restrict the use of coal. This is Odney Manor again on the same train we'd seen at Dingle Crossing 62 minutes earlier, now arriving at the very attractive station of Crowcombe Heathfield. In Great Western days the station was known simply as Crowcombe. 9466 arrives at Crowcombe with a 2-coach local train from Willerton, plus a newly restored former Southern Region Parcels and Miscellaneous Van, or a PMV. Does this train warrant express code headlamps? The last coach is a Mark I corridor brake composite, newly restored at Willerton for the Bluebell Railway. Earlstock Manor brings the 1610 ex-Bishop Lydeard into Crowcombe station. The signalman raises his arm to show the fireman where to pass the token. Trains are now running approximately 30 minutes late. Finally, Earlstock Manor makes a typical Great Western 460 departure.